darkest night. When the world outside is cold and the road's long and your heart's heavy.
Hi guys, how you doing? Almost in my tummy. I so love this my hair. Anytime I pack it like this, I really like it. I like big hairs. Like, I'm literally the definition of big hair, don't care. So anyway, I just finished shooting content and eating. Like, you can see the way I cracked the bones. You will know that I thoroughly enjoyed the food. I had vegetable sauce, fried egg and yam. I'm full. I can't even eat this. I'm so full. So, before eating, I shot content. I'm just finished taking my food now. I'm so tired. Like I said recently, I haven't really been sleeping properly at night because my baby wakes up. She's sucking her hands. So, she would... I tried to wear like a mitten or a socks on her hands, but she will remove them and put her hands in her mouth. So I actually have to be doing watch nights. I have to get up to remove her hands from her mouth, making a conscious effort to stop her from doing that. So remove her hands from her mouth and then put the socks back on. Then also, she hates covers as well. She's doing like my second baby. My second daughter doesn't like covers, like at all. When you try covering her and the AC is on, you know, you cover her, you will literally roll over and touch her and she will be ice cold. But the covers, she flings the covers off. So it's actually a chore putting the covers. I wake up like 100 times a night to put the covers on her. So that has been my routine for some days now. So the covers and the hands, and because of that, I find out that I don't get enough sleep. So I'm awake the better part of the night doing that. So I wake up with lots of headaches and I'm very tired. So whenever I have the chance to, I always try to catch some sleep during the day. So I just edited some content for my shorts. Please, you guys should be checking out my shorts as well. Okay, so I just edited some content for my shorts and put them up. I want to see if I can edit a video to go up today, but if I cannot, no stress. I desperately need sleep. If I cannot put a video up today, I'll put one up tomorrow. That's why I don't really have a very stable timeline now for videos, but I try to make sure at least 2 videos goes out every week. Thank you guys for your love and support. I noticed I had some new subscribers from my videos. Thank you guys so much, because I normally get subscribers just on my shorts. So thank you. I really appreciate new members of this channel and I love you and I appreciate you so much. She's screaming there now. Alarm don't ring for me to go and pick up the children. So me, I don't remember. We don't almost talk reach 1 hour safe.
Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In the saffron groove, we find what we think. After R&B flow, feel the night take flight. With every single move, everything. Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In the saffron groove, we find what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight. With every single move, everything. take flight with every single move, everything.
Eyes bloodshot and I'm faded now. I tried calling to persuade you how I'm a changed man with a new plan, making moves, making big moves like I rule the whole damn galaxy. So tell me, are you starry-eyed? If you are, would you be by my side? I'm a changed man with a new plan, making moves, making big moves, it's my destiny. I could tell you that I love you. We could act like this is new, all day with no clue what time it is in the big world. I'm amazed by what they say about us. Don't want no fuss, let's just catch a vibe and chill tonight. You can't define what you want from me, baby. Still I'm letting you in. Girl, you got me on lock. You call me destructive, I love it, I'm honest. And I'm letting you in. Girl, you got me on lock. Everything that I do is for me. And every word that you say doesn't hurt anyway, you're a bad breed. Oh, everything that I do is for me. And every word that you say doesn't hurt anyway, you're a bad breed. You said to snap back to reality. That's not for me. You said to let go of what I believe, but that's not for me.
Good morning, everyone. Teachers, parents, friends, and our shining stars of reception. Wow, what an amazing year it has been. We came into school at the start of the year. Some of us a little nervous, some of us super excited. And you know what? Each one of us is like a little spark full of light and power. We've been growing, glowing, and now we're ready to shine even brighter. We've had so much fun painting masterpieces. New friends, thank you. Here you go. Oh, why is it dirty?
Because it erases. There's a new one.
Please, Daddy.
I want to disturb her now that she's 5.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark.
Give me right arm.
Mommy shark, mommy shark. Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark. Run away, run away.
Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you. Every moment just me and you. Every day is shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars.